Is snoring making you fat? Well, it might be. You're eating cleaner, moving more, but the scale's still stuck, right? Well, snoring could be your problem. When you snore, it interrupts your deep sleep. This completely messes with your hunger and fat-storing hormones. Fix your sleep first. Somnofit-S opens the airways so that you can finally let your body reset. Because real weight loss starts with better sleep. You can try the Somnofit-S for yourself 120 nights risk-free. If it doesn't eliminate your snoring, we'll literally give you your money back.